guys, welcome back to Veganuary day 22. Oh my goodness, we're almost at the end. Not really, we still have
It's only just begun.
True, that's right, it only just began.
Ah!
Alright, so today we're making something that you could bring for lunch, especially if you don't have a kitchen like where you work, no microwave, something like that. This is going to be a cold lunch. It's a great summer dish. It's also really good if you want to put it in a wrap. And it is potato salad, pea and potato salad. This is one of my all-time favorites. I love potato salad. I love macaroni salad.
And you make a really good one too.
Well, thank you. Alright, so I've cut up one sweet potato, 3 medium-sized russet potatoes. I boiled them on the stove for about 15 minutes. I'm going to drain them right now, and we're going to put them in this bowl. Alright. Wow, that makes a lot, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do after you drain them and they're still piping hot is get your vinegar on there. Give it 2 good splashes. I really like to use Prosecco white wine vinegar for this. It's just delicious. Don't try and use like balsamic, well, unless it's white balsamic, because the dark purple from the balsamic is really going to stay in the potatoes and it's going to give it a very heavy taste, and that's not something that you want. You want something that's going to be very nice and light and delicious. So just give that a good shake. Now we're going to add 1 bag of frozen peas, and I didn't heat these up for the very reason that the frozenness of these is going to help cool down the potatoes faster, because you don't want to put the mayo on the hot potatoes. It's going to make the mayonnaise break, and it's going to be ew.
Gross.
It's going to be ew. So we're just going to get those on there. Another thing that's going to help the potatoes cool down quicker, and it's going to take a little bit of the bite off of it, is adding the onion and the celery. So we've got a whole bunch of scallions here, just the green part, a little bit of the white part. I don't like to use the white part so much in a cold salad because some people don't like that strong taste of the onion, and it's a little bit much for them. And I just have 1 rib of celery because my husband hates celery, but that's my compromise. Yeah. I didn't make it for him. Alright, everything's in there that's going in there right now. We're just going to give this a little bit of a stir. Don't overcook your potatoes like I did, because it's going to be a mashed potato salad then. Sorry, I had to take the dogs out. They went a little long. They're a little fuzzy. Alright, so we're just gonna, you could throw this in the fridge. I don't recommend putting boiling hot foods in the fridge though. It tends to make the other foods spoil. So just let this sit for a little bit, let it cool off. It's winter outside right now. Maybe I'd throw it outside, but you want it to be warm, you know, warm. You could go warm. Don't go blazing hot, but it doesn't have to be ice cold. Alright, we've had this chilling in the fridge for a long time because we had to go out. So it's completely cold right now. We're going to add the mayo. We've got this beautiful Hampton Creek Just Mayo. Totally not Spawn. Wish I was. Can you smell? I wish you guys could smell the scallions coming up.
Smells really hard.
It's beautiful. Hey, this isn't going to fit in here.
No, it's not.
Alright, so we're going to add some of this mayo. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup because this is a lot of potato here, and we don't want it to be dry. Nobody likes a dry ass potato salad.
Mm-mm.
Now, I have the other seasonings here, and I would recommend that you put the mustard, salt, and pepper in the mayo and mix it, pre-mix it, because if you just throw those dry seasonings on the actual potatoes, it's going to cling on there, and you're going to get pockets of too salty, too peppery, too mustardy.
No Klingons.
No Klingons. So if you mix it with the mustard first, with the mayonnaise first, it's going to distribute more evenly amongst the other pieces of potato. So Mix it. Try not to slop it up like I do. And we will, at the end, add some optional sliced cherry tomatoes because it brings a lot of color, it brings a lot of flavor, especially if you leave it overnight. The flavors are all going to do amazing things. Not tonight, it's overnight magic. But same day magic, not so much. Alright, it's all mixed up. We got it in a little bed of lettuce there.
How do you like that?
I like that. You don't have to eat it like this. You could put it in a wrap, you could put it in a pita.
However you want.
You could optional put in some chickpeas, but I think that would be overkill. You could even eat this like a chicken salad sandwich, but it's a potato salad sandwich.
You can even add some little bacon bits if you want.
Yeah, I was telling Maddie though that is more of a hot German potato salad, which I've also done on this channel.
Right. So
which I really like.
Bowl if you guys wanted to see.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's so beautiful.
It smells so good.
Yeah. So let's get a taste here. Ooh. I love Mom's potato salad.
Oh, thank you.
Winner!
We're actually having this for lunch tomorrow. So,
it's all ready to go.
It's all ready to go. That's the best thing about doing it overnight. You don't have to worry about it. It's all ready to go. You know it's going to hold.
I love the scallions.
The scallions add so much. The tomatoes add so much. The optional sweet potato adds so much. Another
Everything
flavor
here is
dimension.
doing its job.
Yeah.
Everyone is pulling their weight.
Yep. So that was day 22. Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm shooketh. Alright, not many more Veganuaries, but you know what? As always, you could still leave your recipe suggestions in the comments and we will put it on the list for upcoming Veganasfork videos. Not just Veganuary, Veganasfork, because now we're transitioning back into our...
Don't worry guys, we're still going to be making videos, but it's going to be 3 times a week.
Yeah.
Instead of every day. But we still have quite a bit of Veganuary left, so let's do it up.
Alright, live it up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe for more, and until next time.
Much love.